as I told you, paper 1 as well as paper 2 both are of 250 marks each. So, and the structure is same. So let us start with paper 1. Let us just discuss one paper because structure of question paper is same. In total you will have 8 questions, 8 number of questions, whereas question number 1, now this is a compulsory question. All of us has to attempt this. Within question number 1, you'll have 5 questions. Okay, 5 parts, 5 questions. Question 1, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, and each of these questions will be of 10 marks. Each of these questions will be of 10 marks. What does that mean? That question number 1 is of 50 marks. Let me write it here, of 50 marks. So 50 marks compulsory question, and this is section A. So basically your question paper is divided in 2 sections, section A and section B. Now section A consists from question number 1 to question number 4, where question number 1 is compulsory question, and then section B consists from question number 5 to question number 8, where question number 5 is compulsory question. We'll come to that, but first let us see, after section A, after question 1 in section A, we move to question number 2. Question number 2 will have 3 sub-questions, 2A, 2B, and 2C. The first question, 2A, is generally of 20 marks, B again of 20 marks, and C of 10 marks. So you realize that this also becomes of 50 marks. Okay guys? Then comes question number 3 and question number 4. So question 3 and question 4 are similar to question 2. The structure is similar, where it is A, B, and C, and A being 20 marks, B being 20 marks, and C being 10 marks. So this structure is followed in question number 3 and 4 as well. So structure of question 2, 3, and 4 is similar, and the marks distribution is also similar, which is 20, 20, and 10. Okay, so this constitutes of paper of section 1. Then we move to section 2 of the question paper. So section B of the question paper. Now here it starts with question number 5. Again, like similar to question number 1, question number 5 will have 5 sub-questions, A, B, C, D, and E, where similar to question number 1, this is a compulsory question. You don't have an option to whether you choose to write this question or not. It is a compulsory question. All of us has to attempt it. Therefore, 50 marker in section A is compulsory and 50 marker in section B is compulsory. Therefore, out of 250 marks, 100 out of 250 marks paper, 100 marks is compulsory. Okay, and again question A, B, C, D, and E, all of them will be a 10 marker question. Okay, and you have to write it within 150 words, whereas a question of 20 marker or 20 marker question you can extend up to 250 words. Now question 5 being a compulsory question similar to question number 1, section B consists of question 6, 7, and 8. Now question 6 will be similar to that structure of question 2, which is, it will have 3 sub-questions, A, B, and C, where A is of 20 marks, B is of again 20 marks, and C is of 10 marks. The total question being 50 marker. And then on similar pattern, similar structure, question number 7 and question number 8 would follow. Okay, so total 8 number of questions. Out of that, you have to attempt only 5 questions. Attempt any 5, and then there is a constraint that question number 1 and question number 5 is compulsory question. So then you are left with 3 questions of your choice. Okay, but minimum 2 in one section has to be attempted. Another condition which UPSC puts is that minimum 2 in one section. You cannot do something like you have attempted all 4 questions of section A and only the compulsory question of section B. So basically question 1 to question 5 you attempt and then you say my paper is over. No, that will not be considered. So maximum 3 questions in a section can be attempted and minimum 2 from each section has to be attempted. So basically if you have solved question number 1, after that you'll have options within question 2, 3, 4 that maximum you can solve any 2 of them and minimum you'll have to solve any 1 of them. If you solve only 1 from section A apart from the compulsory question, then for the other 2 optional questions you'll have to move to section B. You can attempt question number 6 and 7 along with the compulsory question number 5, and that is how your answer question paper structure is there in the examination, and accordingly you choose your questions and accordingly you answer and you plan your timing and examination. So I've given you brief structure of question paper.